Good morning, everyone. Today's plan is actually really simple. We're gonna take all that trash that's in here and move it to the garbage container that's over there. That's it. Just a lot of work, really. It's a bit windy today. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Again, simple plan. Let's just get to it. Go, Peter.
Ja, dat zie ik net.
Boom, pardon, pardon.
Zo dan.
Ja, dan moet je een beetje op je zijde, hè?
Yes, go babe.
How's it work?
As good as new, just get this. That's just good enough for me.
Oké, ja, laat maar staan, dan trek ik hem wel verder. Zo, dan, als jij het ook doet.
This is the ideal situation, right? That you are working and I'm just filming you working. Go, Peter. It's nice that we can see the back wall again.
Yeah.
And the corners.
And the floor.
Man, George. George. Hey. This one seems quite alright. We got a garbage trophy. Alright, since it's too much trash, we're just gonna put everything in, close the doors, and then fill it up from the top.
Dat kan wel niet, man. Nee, ik bedoel je.
It's a bit windy! Look what we found. The garbage trophy.
Nice. Fancy.
KVK hem, hè?
Always alert.
Ja.
Wil je dit gewoon, hè? Ik wil nog een touwtje aanbinden en dan trekken we het vanaf hier uit elkaar. Dan zijn we allemaal veilig. Ja, op zo.
Ga om je onder het pijn vandaan weer te halen.
Dat is lief.
Ready?
Ready?
Very
anticlimactic. Ja, is goed. Kun je het optillen? Kan het? Ik weet. Ja. Ik denk dat later wel even plakje wordt. En dan zo hierop liggen. Ja, maar dan schuif ik eerst wat shit naar jou toe. Ja, goed. Kunnen jullie met ik weet niet, lukt dat met het matras? Ja, die. Ik kan nog wel een stuk verder naar deze kant.
Ja, oké.
Ja, hoeft niet. Zo. As long as your hair is okay.
We cleaned out almost all of this room. You can now see the bottom and the corners, which is nice. Apart from some wood, which we think we cannot put anymore or put in the trash anymore, so maybe we'll use this in woodworking or for lighting a fire. But anyways, this is all wood which we can manage.
Top. En als je zo klein
Yeah. Anyways, this is almost an empty room. I do wonder though what this is used for. I thought it might be used for hanging the game that was hunted, but I'm not sure. So if anyone has an idea, then do let me know. On another note, this does not look too great, so this might need a treatment and some love. It's a lot of rust. Anyways, I think we're almost done. So let's bring this one to the container.
Je wilt gaan wel een haken daar krijgen. Ja, hier rechtsonder zit die pootjes en die wieltjes sowieso. Ja, kijk.
Nee, natuurlijk. Just a little lower. All right, almost filled to the top. So we got some space left if we really wanted to, but I think that's it for today. I think that is it for today. The container is pretty much filled. The garden shed is emptied. In the next one, we will continue with the sewer probably, because we have not had time to work on that. But until then, have a good one. See you in the next one. Ciao.